Leader.
Man, I can hear you. Don't mind my.
Oh, all right,
No
all right,
problem.
all right, all right.
We find this. We always find solution to every challenges. In fact, now I'm back and better. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we
now?
can hear you. You can start from there.
I'm out
It
loud
is
and
okay.
clear, please.
Yeah, you are loud and clear.
I'm out loud and clear.
You are loud and clear.
Well, I
Hello?
Yes, we
suggest
can hear you, madam.
Leader Edson, I suggest you just take over the presentation, please. We have we've
You can
invited
stop
people
sharing.
here. Yeah, just go ahead, Leader Edson.
All right.
Thank
It
you.
is okay.
Yeah.
It is okay. Let me just share my screen. Okay, the man has already shared, so let me not interfere with him.
Now, can you hear me now, please?
Leader, success. Hello?
All right, beautiful.
Leader success. Huh.
I suggest maybe Leader Edson, maybe you can take over. I think his network is very down over there. You can take over, Leader.
Yes, please,
All right.
Edson, just take over, please. Thanks.
All right, all right. Thank you. Okay, let me share my screen. Allow me share my screen, then we continue. I think my screen is now visible, not so? Right, so let me first look for the PDF, then...
Yes, your screen is visible, we can see.
All right, thank you. Then let me look for the... So our leader, I want you guys who are putting on the mics to first pause from there, then we continue. So he had stopped on this historical context of cryptocurrency, the growth of crypto. So we had stopped on in 2020, in 2021, we saw Bitcoin at 69,000. Then in 2026, we saw it. We have jumped to 2024 because my PDF is kinda different from him, from the PDF that he had. But then I can as well explain. So maybe if we can start afresh, we see the growth of crypto in the all over the world, not only in Uganda or maybe Africa, but then in all world. So Bitcoin started at less than 0.01 in 2009. Then today it trades above 78,000. Then those who recognize the opportunity early built generational wealth. As you can see, from 2009, Bitcoin was created. Then it was at 0.001. Then as we go to 2013, it went to 1,000. As you can see, it was the first major spike. Then in 2017, 20,000. This is a mainstream attention. Now, people now came in to understand what is crypto, like what is Bitcoin, why are the people investing in Bitcoin? So this is where majority of the people came now to invest in crypto, or maybe what we call Bitcoin. Then in 2021, it raised from 20,000 to over 69,000. As we saw, it was a whole-time high. So the question is not whether crypto will grow, but then it is whether you will participate in that growth. So you should be ready as of now to start participating in cryptocurrency trading. So as we continue understanding the market prices, am I loud and clear, you guys? I don't want to go alone. Just alert me whether I'm loud and
very
clear.
loud, very loud.
I'm clear.
Loud and clear.
Manji? All right. Someone is saying was yes. So meaning I'm very clear and audible. So after seeing where and how did crypto start in the whole world, as we see the mother coin being Bitcoin, now we go to understanding the market prices. Where are these crypto found? Where can we find cryptocurrencies? So that is the main question in here. What are crypto exchanges? A crypto exchange is an online marketplace where you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. So you shouldn't even ask yourself much questions about what is crypto. What is a crypto exchange? This is just a simple understanding where someone can understand very well what are crypto exchanges. These are online marketplaces where you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. So think of it like a forex bureau, but for the case of digital currencies, they operate 24/7 from your phone. So for the forex bureaus, they stop on Friday. They don't work on weekend. But for the case of digital assets, so like crypto, they work from Monday to Monday, no rest. Yes. So as we can see, the major exchange or crypto exchange that we have, or the major marketplace that we have where we can trade, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies is Binance. I understand that each and everyone here at least knows about Binance. Or if it is your first time, this is the world's largest crypto exchange by trading volume. So meaning many people trust this as a trading as a crypto exchange. Trusted by over 300 million users globally, meaning you won't be the first person to use Binance, or maybe you want to be 100th person to use Binance. Nara, it is trusted by over 300 million users globally, me inclusive even. So it offers spot, margin, and futures trading with a deep liquidity and low fees. So meaning each and everyone can participate in this and start using Binance to trade cryptocurrencies. Then another exchange, we have Bybit as a fast-growing exchange known for powerful trading tools, a clean interface, and strong security. You understand? So popular among both beginners and professional traders worldwide. So these are the crypto markets now that we have, or crypto exchanges that we are having right now. Yes, as of now, but they are adding more and more each and every day. So we shall be waiting, or maybe we shall be explaining much more when they are added, because we have found out that in some countries, people use different exchanges. So we have to extend this until further, until it reaches to that user that needs it. Then as we can see that CryptoFlow Bot, remember this is a trading bot. CryptoFlow Bot connects directly to Binance and Bybit via secure API. What does API mean in this case? Because some other people were asking themselves that these are two apps. How do they connect to each other and communicate with each other so that this can run a smooth system whereby we can trade and we get our profits? So as we can see, that CryptoFlow Bot connects to Binance and Bybit via a secure API. API in this case is like a Bluetooth, like you have your music on your phone and you want to play that music within your woofer. I understand each and everyone in here understands what a woofer means, or maybe a home theater, or maybe a sound bar. So if you want to play your music using your phone, you have to connect what we call a Bluetooth. So meaning you'll be playing your music here on your phone, but the music will be heard in that music system. You understand my point? So in this case also, we use API to connect Binance and Bybit to CryptoFlow Bot, meaning CryptoFlow Bot is just connected to these exchanges to trade cryptocurrencies for us. Remember, CryptoFlow Bot is an automated trading AI that was created to trade for you, or maybe to trade automatically, even though you are not there. Yes, we continue. So your money stays in your exchange account at all time. I saw some question. Someone was asking about that. Who are the CEO of CryptoFlow? You shouldn't be worried about that, because our money is staying on our exchanges. So meaning this is just a trading bot that is connected to these exchanges just to trade for you. So meaning it won't maybe disappear with your money. Your money is secure 100% on your Bybit or maybe Binance account. I think that point is now very clear. Then understanding trading. What is crypto trading? This is act of buying and selling digital currencies to make a profit from price movements. As usual, as we can see other physical businesses, how they operate. Because in real businesses, we buy commodities and we stock them. Then after they have accumulated some profits, we sell them out to make some profits. So in here also in crypto trading, we buy low and sell high to make some profits. So prices go high and down consistently. Traders earn by buying low and selling high, as I have explained, then or by using strategies that profit from both directions. So there are strategies that you can use maybe to some extent, and you profit from both directions. I'm explaining this to to those who are new into this space. Anyways, we have three major points here in crypto trading. We have three major points. First and foremost is spot trading. What is spot trading? It is buying crypto at a current price and selling it when it has gone high. You understand? The simplest form is like buying gold and selling when the price rises. You understand? You buy it at current price and you maybe you sell it after some period of time to make money after the price has risen. I think you get that point very clearly. Then we have futures trading, trade contracts that let you profit from price movements without owning the asset. So this is like a loan. You understand? Yes, you get a loan and you start trading futures. So you can profit whether the market goes up or maybe down. So this is what I told you, that you use some strategies to earn from ups and downs of the market. Then we have leveraged trading. This is multiplying your trading power with the leverage, e.g. 3x to 5x. Then as an example, if you have like 100,000, your $100 trade with 3x leverage controls $300 worth of crypto. So meaning here you will just be multiplying your trading capital. Then you multiply by that power to get much volume of money maybe to use in this market. So we have three different types of trading. We have spot trading, we have futures trading, we have leveraged trading. I encourage each and everyone in here in the meeting, let's write down something that will help you in the future. Maybe if you need it, then we move together. Anyways, I don't want to teach a class which is boring, but then we shall move together and we have the complete presentation of this cryptocurrency. I just want you to understand each and every part of it, and where you feel confused, unless you come back to me, then you ask me why you have not understood. Anyways, let us move on. Why crypto trading? Why should I now come here to tell you about crypto trading? This is a opportunity comparison. So I'm comparing two different systems of making money. So why would I come here to tell you about crypto trading? Or maybe why would someone start crypto trading? Why? We need a reason to why. Now, compared to traditional businesses, are you guys enjoying the meeting? Let me first come back. You may find I'm talking alone. Are you hearing me, guys? If you're hearing me, type 1 in the chat. 1 in the chat. 1 in the chat.
Very,
If you're
very well.
hearing me. Wanji? 1 in the chat. Ye. So I'm not audible. I'm not audible. I'm not audible. Yeah, you guys are not typing 1. Am I boring? Am I boring? Anyways, okay. Let's move. All right. I was telling you about the opportunity comparison. So other people there or out there, you are making some kind of different businesses. But then now I want to tell you the reason to why you should at least now come to crypto trading. The reason to why. Then compared to traditional businesses, yes, crypto trading offers unique advantages that make it one of the most interesting or maybe accessible income opportunities in the digital age. So as of now, we are in a digital age because I think most of the people here have their own phones and even they are earning money online. But then, so in this digital age, at least you need to be knowing about cryptocurrency trading. So as I'm comparing these two businesses, the traditional ones and the digital one, you will see where you can fall best and you start earning some good money. So we have a business of border business, like in here, Uganda, because me, I'm from Uganda, Leader Edison from Uganda. So for us, we have people who do border business. I don't know whether in other countries they do the same, but here in Uganda, it is. So to access a border as a starting capital, you should have invested 3 to 8 million as startup. Then we have daily fuel costs, repairs, weather risks, physical danger like accidents, and limited hours of working as a human. You have to rest core. Yes, at night you have to rest your mind. So if you're doing a border business, you will reach to some extent and you feel like you want to sleep or you're exhausted and you have to sleep. Then we have weather risks like rainy seasons and wind, what, and they will disrupt you in your works. Then we have limited hours, I have already explained. Then repairs, yes, obviously as a border guy, you should always repair your motorcycle. Anyways, when we go now to those having big capitals and you want to start a business of taxi business in Uganda, it ranges from 15 million to 30 million and plus for a vehicle, just a vehicle. It costs that amount. Yes, the least amount is 15 million. Then when you go now above, you go to 30 and plus for a vehicle. Then there's insurance, yes. Then there's licensing, depreciation, fuel, traffic. You understand those people? Yes. Then we have limited to local areas. Yes, you will find yourself just making a taxi business within urban areas, not going into local areas. And that will be affecting you very much. And you won't be able to get the potential customers to some extent. And then we have retail shop. Or maybe retail stores. So other people have started their own businesses like shops and retail stores. Then you have to pay a monthly rent of 200K to 1 million and plus according to where you are working from. You understand? Then we have inventory costs, we have theft risks, then we require physical presence all the day. Then we have limited customers. As you guys have tried these physical businesses, you understand very well. So these are the limiting factors that you as a person who is in digital age, you shouldn't participate in this local or traditional way of making money. So now let us go now to crypto trading. Yes, you can take screenshots, you can write, it is all about you, because me, I just need attentive class. Anyways, we see number one, start with as little as $50. In Uganda, that is 185,000 only to start crypto trading. Yeah, that's what you need. That's what you need, the minimum. That's what you need. Just $50. Very good. Yeah, this is something which is small. And then there is no rent, no fuel, no employees. Wow, this is This is very well, because if I'm not paying rent, I'm not paying fuel, and I'm not paying the employees, which means that the business is flexible, then it works 24/7. Remember, I've told you in traditional way of making money, you have to work for a certain period of time, then you rest go. But in here, in crypto, within this digital age, you have to work 24/7, even while you sleep. Then operate from your phone anywhere. So meaning if I migrate now from Uganda, now I go to Nigeria, I go to Ghana, I go to South Africa, I go to Canada, I go to where, I will still make money using my phone. This is digital age. You should participate in it at all cost. Then when we go on, no physical risks or location limits. As I've told you that even though I go now to Nigeria, this is the reason to why this meeting is international. Everyone is participating in the same business that I'm participating in here. So there's no limitations. There's global market, no local economy. Then scales without extra overhead. I think you understand that. Let's now go to how do I start crypto trading? That is the reason, because now you have understood where we buy and sell cryptocurrencies, which cryptocurrency was first made. We have seen that Bitcoin started in 2009 at $0.001. Now, you want to understand, what do I need now to start? First and foremost, you need a smartphone. And I think each and everyone who is in here is having a smartphone. It doesn't mean that you should be having an iPhone or maybe a Samsung or what. Any smartphone, as long as it goes on the internet, that is a smartphone. Then another thing, we need an exchange account. We have seen that exchanges, we have like Binance and Bybit as of now. But then you need one. Like on those two, you need only one. You need either Bybit or maybe Binance. So it is all upon you to choose whatever you want. So register on Binance or Bybit. It is free. Registering is very free. Then it takes 5 minutes and requires basic ID verification. You can use your national ID. You can use your passport or maybe a driving license. So it is all about you on what to use. Anyways, after number 2, now we go to number 3 as starting capital. Starting capital, you can begin with as little as $50, as I told you, then deposit funds into your exchange account via mobile money, bank transfer, or maybe P2P. So it is all about you. Those options are there for you. Yes, you can either deposit using your mobile money, use your bank transfer, or maybe use P2P. If you don't know what you're going to do, just contact the person who has invited you on here on this meeting. Just contact him or her and tell him that I don't know how to deposit my money. Just hope me I can. Then I deposit. Then you need another thing. You need basic knowledge. Understanding what you're doing matters. This presentation is your first step. You have now moved one step. Yeah, you're not like the other person who has failed to attend this meeting, but now you have now moved one step. Then, and the CryptoFlow Bot simplifies the rest. Yes, now you have got the knowledge about crypto. Now the second thing that you're going to do is now employing CryptoFlow Bot to simplify the rest. Because this is the best bot now we have tested and verified that can do the best of the work in this crypto market. Then we have clearing misconceptions. Very many people have their myths and fears about crypto. Yes, this is something, I don't know why, but crypto space has been maybe attacked by the scammers and such kind of stuff, and people have developed common fears and myths about crypto. Now I want to clarify about this. Then myths like crypto is a scam. Very many people understand crypto to be as a scam, but then just remember, crypto itself is legitimate technology adopted by governments, banks, and Fortune 500 companies. Scams do exist in every industry. Just get it from me. Scams do exist in every industry. I want you to note this one very clearly. Yes. Then the key is choosing regulated platforms like Binance and Bybit. So we saw people who were doing Fidelity. They were telling us that they were trading, but then they were not using the regulated platforms like Binance and Bybit. They were using other platforms, and they were now hiding themselves in crypto. But when we are talking about cryptocurrency trading, you should be at least be using Binance and Bybit. I don't want to take long. Then people have lost everything. Some people maybe fear crypto because other people have lost everything. So now this is the solution. Losses do happen from emotional and unstructured trading. Listen, structured systems with risk management dramatically reduce this. That's exactly what CryptoFlow Bot provides. CryptoFlow Bot is an automated trading bot that trades 24/7 for you, 356 days in a year. So this is the power, this is the energy of CryptoFlow Bot that provides. So you don't have to worry because it has structured system with risk management dramatically to reduce those losses and those emotions that do happen within crypto. So you shouldn't be even worried about people have lost everything. That is not your part now. Your part now is to put your money or assets on your Binance account, and you let CryptoFlow Bot to do the rest. Then it's too complicated for me. People see charts and feel like they are scared. But then this is the reason why you shouldn't even be scared about crypto. Sending a mobile money transfer seemed complicated once too. Because me, I remember when mobile money was brought in Uganda, everything was a mess. Because we couldn't even figure it out. How can you send money in air and reaches somewhere? So, but now it is now one way of sending money in Uganda, and it is very fast. So, crypto trading with an automated bot is designed to be simple. The bot handles the hardest part. If you were maybe thinking that this is too complicated for me, I want to understand, just leave the bot to do its work, because that's why it was created. It is even legal. Is it even legal? Other people ask themselves that, is even crypto legal in Uganda or in other countries? Crypto trading is illegal in most countries, like in Kenya. When we talk about East African countries, like in Kenya, it is legalized. Exchanges like Binance operate under regulatory frameworks. Always check your local regulations for compliance. We are going, we are moving, we are moving, we are moving. Then we have two approaches. When we come to the marketplace, we have two approaches. Are you people still on? Are you people still on? Type 2 if you are still on. Type 2 if you are still on. Type 2 if you are still on. And if you don't want to type, me, I'm going now. It means that I'm not teaching anything. Yes, type 2. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Okay, okay, people are on. People are on. Hey, I'm enjoying this. Very good. All right. We have two approaches when we come to market now, or when we come to trading right now. We have two approaches, because some other people will say, I don't want to use the bot. Other people will say, me, I want to use the bot. So it is between now two people. Yes, two approaches, as we have seen. There is manual versus automated trading. So now I will now to take you through this, and you get to understand what is, or maybe what you can take you as a person. So there are two ways to participate in crypto market. There are only two. Understanding the difference is the key to choosing the right approach for your lifestyle. It depends on your lifestyle that you need. Because me, I like this lifestyle of moving from here to there, to there, to there. So maybe me, I won't take manual trading, but rather I would like to take automated trading. I will tell you why, but then let's continue now. In manual trading, sit in front of charts for hours daily. So when someone is doing what we call manual trading, you have to sit on charts for hours daily. That's when someone will tell you that trading crypto is not simple. And that is something that he has put in your head that you will remember forever. But then I will show you how you can simplify this. So for a manual trader, he has to sit in front of charts for hours daily. analyze markets himself or herself constantly, then execute every trade by hand. I want you to note these things. Then emotional decisions lead to mistakes, miss opportunities while sleeping. As I told you, that as a human, you have to sleep or you have to rest because hey, as a human, you have to. Then requires years of learning experience. You need at least me as a person who has spent 2 years and a half in crypto. Yes, in crypto trading. You have you need at least 1.5 years to master it, to master very well. To be called a manual trader, at least you need 1.5 years. But then now let's go to automated, because now life has been made very simple. Yes, we don't have to be there on charts 24/7 doing seeing there and there. Then we have bot monitors, market 24/7 for you, so you don't have to do anything. Here, this is what automated trading means. You don't need to do anything. So from morning, I should be there doing my things. Then in the evening, I come check what the bot has made for me. This is what we call automated trading. AI analyzes opportunities in real time. Even though you're sleeping, it remains on the market. Then trades execute automatically, instantly. Nothing else that you need maybe to press. Are you hearing me? Are we still together? Emotional free, deep sprint driven decisions. Yes, emotional free as an AI, it has to do what it was meant to do. Never misses a profitable setup. This is the reason to why as a trader, as someone who wants to make money, as someone who is eager into this, why you should now apply to automated trading, because it never misses a profitable setup at any time. Then works even while you sleep or at work. Let me repeat this. Works even while you sleep or maybe when you're at work. Wow. So for busy professionals, professionals, when you're there in the bank, in the hospital, you're busy treating people. Here, the bot is making the work for you. You don't need to do anything. When you're sleeping, when you're dreaming, the bot is on the market seeing, oh, well, what can I do now? You understand? So this is the reason to why now you should shift from manual trading to automated trading using CryptoFlow Bot. Then the emotional barriers. Why do people fear trading crypto manually? Or the problem with manual trading. Manual trading is you can do it, but these are the problems associated with it. Number one, most people don't. Let me read this. Most people don't fail because the market is unfair. Nara. They fail because human emotions make consistent trading nearly impossible without structure. We need more profits, and you finally mess up and you make losses. Then fear of loss. You hesitate too long, miss the entry. Then you watch the price move without you. You understand? So that is missing out the profitable setup. Yes, because you are feared to lose and the market is going in your direction and you see it really going and without you taking any action. Then fear of missing out. You rush into trades without proper analysis, chasing prices that already moved. For you who have ever traded manually, you understand. Then time pressure, markets run 24/7, but you can't because you're not a robot or you are not AI. While you sleep, opportunities pass, and so do risks. Then analysis paralysis, too much charts, indicators, and opinions. You overthink every decision and end up doing nothing. This is interesting. Then bridging that gap. Now we are bringing this gap. We want to fill this gap fear of loss, fear of missing out, time pressure, analysis paralysis. Now we want to fill that gap. What can we do as crypto traders, as some people who want to make money within this system? What should we bring on board now? That is what we call a trading bot. You understand? Yes, to bridge out this gap here, the problem associated with money trading. Now we bring in what we call a trading bot. A trading bot is a software program that automatically buys and sells crypto on your behalf. Let me repeat this. Hey, I don't want any excuse that I was not listening very well. So let me repeat this. A trading bot is a software program that automatically buys and sells crypto on your behalf, following a preset rules and strategies without human emotions. Wow. Wow, why not clapping? Why not typing one? Why not typing interesting in the chat? Why not? Why? You people, we have got something that is very perfect. Wow. So as we can see here, a trading bot that we have on board now. Let me explain to you what a trading bot is. Think of it like this. Yes, imagine hiring the most disciplined, tireless. I want you guys to listen very well on this point. Let me repeat. I don't want excuses. Imagine hiring the most disciplined, tirelessly, emotionless trader in the whole world. That is a crypto trading bot. Someone who never sleeps, never panics, never gets greedy, and follows the strategy perfectly every single time. That's what a trading bot does. Kill up. Give me my flowers. Hey, it's like having a full-time employee who works 24/7, 365 days a year without asking for a raise or a day off. Where can you get that person? That is only a crypto trading bot that you need that can maybe fit in this. You understand? So in trading bot, we have these these 5 main points within a trading bot. First and foremost, it scans the market. You should be writing somewhere. Why just listening? Write somewhere that a trading bot does this. First, scans the market. Secondly, identifies the opportunity. Thirdly, checks the risk level. Then fourth, it executes the trades, enters the trades, and again exits them. Understand? Then locks the profits. So meaning in this whole process, you as a human, you as someone who is trading, using CryptoFlow Bot or using a trading bot, you are not doing anything at all. That is a credit. Yes, let us clap for a trading bot. Maybe let us clap for trading bots. Wow. So most of you guys, I know some of you have already tried other trading bots, but I think I tried Royal Q, but then it was not doing all this. So in here, you don't have to do anything. Oh, wow, this is interesting. The solution now, introducing CryptoFlow Bot. Wow, fantastic. So we have now introduced what we call CryptoFlow Bot. This is an AI-powered automated trading system that connects your Binance or Bybit account and trades on your behalf. So you don't need to do anything as long as you connect it to your Binance or Bybit. That is all done. I have told you, I've explained very well what API does. It connects these two apps to communicate with each other, and it acts like one app. It's like when you connect your phone to your woofer, or maybe to sound speaker to a speaker using Bluetooth. Yes, you connect these two devices just using that that how can I call it? Anyways, but you understand how to connect through Bluetooth. So here also we use API as it is application programming interface. That's what we use to connect these two apps. Then we have, as I explained before, it is signal intelligence, structured market. Let me enlarge. Structured market intelligence with a dual time frame. Validation identifies opportunities with consistency. Yes, 24/7 it is over on the market. Then automation engine chooses a full automated workflow instead of handling every step manually. One click activation, you are done. Oh, aha. I don't know those people who haven't seen the power, the energy of trading bot called CryptoFlow Bot. Then we have Binance and Bybit API. Secure API connection creates one streamlined operating workflow, as I explained. Then your funds stay in your exchange. They don't go anywhere. Nkademu, can I repeat this? Secure API connection creates one streamlined operating workflow. Your funds stay in your exchange. They don't go anywhere. Then we have user control. Operate with practical controls. Choose full auto or custom mode. You are never locked into one rigged path. So it is all about you. Those things are within CryptoFlow Bot. Then security and fund safety. Very many people are scared because of their funds. But now I want to assure you that your funds are safe. Your money, here they are explaining it very well. Your money is always in your hands. Why? CryptoFlow Bot never holds, accesses, or withdraws your funds. Here is how the security model works. So we see the security model now. Write something down. So first and foremost, we have funds stay in your exchange. So your funds don't go anywhere. They just remain on your Binance exchange or maybe Bybit. So or whatever you choose to work for you, it is where you are going to fund. It is where you're going to put your to put your money as your funds. Then all your capital, profits, and earnings remain in your personal Binance and Bybit account. The bot never touches your money because it is now connected through API. Then we have trade only API permissions. If you don't allow API connection, you won't be able to do what? To trade. The bot connects via API with the read and trade permissions only. Withdraw permissions are always disabled. Never you turn on withdraw permissions. No one can move your funds. So your funds remain steadily on your exchange. Then disconnect anytime. If you feel like you're now tired of trading, or maybe you have got an emergency, or maybe you are there out with your friends and you have lacked money and you want to withdraw, maybe it is all about you. It is your money. Hey, I'm telling you this because I've tried it and I know the power, the energy of it. You withdraw your money at any time. Let's say that you have deposited right now, and at the midnight you have felt like you want to use that money. You can again withdraw it because it is your money. That's what we need in all businesses: the safety, the power of your money, the security. Yeah, you will get the business very well. Then 256-bit encryption. Bank level security protects your API connection. Your data is encrypted in transit and at rest. So you don't have to worry about anything. Your data is encrypted very well. Then real user results. As we can see, these are the people that have tried trading using CryptoFlow Bot. As you can see here, this person won with 93% win rate. Wow, this is very wonderfully. Then 86% win rate. Wow. Then 100 win rate. Then daily consistent returns, as you guys understand this business, right? Then who this is for? Why have I come here to present this to you? Who needs this information? So just be here and I tell you who is that person. Designed to meet different users at different levels of experience, time availability, and capital size. Hey. Then complete beginners. This presentation is for those people who are complete beginners. People who want a guided entry into crypto without years of chat experience. You need CryptoFlow Bot. Another one, busy professionals like nurses, doctors, and accountants. You need this. People with the packaged schedules who want market participation without being chained to charts. So you also need CryptoFlow Bot to work for you. Experienced traders, even though you're an experienced trader, you just also need to understand trading. But what people who understand trading but want better execution and consistency. As I've told you, as a trader, you have to rest because being fully on a laptop or maybe on your phone makes you being exhausted. So you have to rest core. You understand? So you need also CryptoFlow Bot to do each and everything for you. Then larger capital users, people with who value operational structure and scalable system behavior. They also need CryptoFlow Bot to be there for them. Then choose your capital tier. It is all about you. It is all about your pocket. Then you choose your capital. Starters, you can start from $50 to $299. Then growth, when you're growing now, you go to 300 to 1,000. Then professional, 1,000 to 5,000. Then elite, 5,000 to 50,000. Then for executive, 50,000 and above. So select where you can belong. Then we move together. You understand? So I won't spend much of the time there. Let's now go to another thing. So pricing and getting started. How can you get started with CryptoFlow Bot? As someone who wants to start crypto trading, as someone who has understood each and every step about crypto, what is the pricing and how can you get started? It is simple, transparent pricing, no hidden fees. You only pay for performance. Then we have $120 per year, or what we call annual activation. You just need $120 to activate your bot to work for you 365 days in a year. So meaning if you have activated today today is when? Today is on 9th. You will again activate on 9th. In 2027 in August. So this is awesome. Yes, you can activate your bot using $120, and this goes for a year. Think of it like paying your full-time employee their annual salary upfront. Once activated, the bot works 24/7, 365 days, no breaks, no excuses, no extra charges. This is interesting. So after activating it, it starts doing the same work that you have paid it for. Yes, no delays. Then we have Fuel Wallet. Deposit a minimum of $10 into your Fuel Wallet. This powers the bot's operations. Fuel is only charged on profitable trades. A 20 out of 80 split, 20% fuels the system, 80% stays as your profit. So now I want to make this very clear. Like you guys, you get it very clear. 20% goes back to the system. So you shouldn't be worried that this system, how we need to long for long, like what are the strategies for the system to last longer? Now we have got the answer that 20% of fuel charged goes back to the system, to fuel the system. It remains on working very well for 10 years to come, for 20 years to come, for 50 years to come. So we are here staying with our CryptoFlow because it is benefiting from its community that it is serving. Very fantastic. Then we have 80% stays as your profit. Meaning no profit, no fuel charged. If you don't make any profit, no fuel will be charged. Then Fuel Wallet auto pauses at $3 for top up. So when your fuel fee goes to $3, you have to top up. Then you keep 80% of every profitable trade. Then no hidden fees, no commissions. No surprises. Then in total, in general, total to start $120 for activation. I've explained this very well. $120 for activation plus 10 fuel, $10 fuel, then plus 50 as minimum capital. So in total, you just need $180. Just only $180. This is not much money. $180 is not much money. So get your $180 and get started. So how can someone get started? A simple onboarding path takes you from registration to live structured market participation in minutes. First step, it is signing up. Register via the website or maybe a referral link. If you want to register, you can use two options, maybe via the website or maybe a referral link. Then active or activate. Pay $120 annual activation fee. Just that's what you need to activate your bot. Okay, after signing up, you have to activate. After activating, you fund your fuel. Deposit a minimum of $10 for fuel wallet. Then after funding it with fuel, now you go to API binding. So meaning you can't do API binding before activating the bot. Then you set the preferences to spot or futures or both. It is all about you for what you want to choose. Yes. Then choose model, select full automation or maybe custom mode. It is all about you. So for someone who has started right now, I think he can choose or she can choose full auto. Then track performance from phone or laptop. So you can track your performance, how the CryptoFlow bot is making work for you through using a phone or maybe a laptop. So as I'm ending, start your structured crypto journey today. A modern crypto market workflow designed to reduce confusion, improve clarity, and help you participate with more structure and less friction. Activate your bot with $120, cryptoflowbot.com, or someone can give you a referral code. Ready to start? If you're ready to start, contact the person who has invited you to this session or meeting, then you get set up. So as we have seen, this is the power, this is the energy, this is all what CryptoFlow Bot has brought on the board. We are still enjoying money each and every day. We are not resting on this opportunity. It has now come on our way. We have to make this money, even though they bring any other trading bot, but still we have the first and tested CryptoFlow bot that we shall use for years to come, and we still make good money. You guys, I think I've now, I'm done with my presentation. Or maybe if you have any question, you can ask me. But then I'm Leader Edison, a V3 from Uganda, and I've been using CryptoFlow Bot now from, it came in September. Someone can ask me when was it launched? It came in August, late August last year. So it was a Signals group. It was a Signals platform, but later it was changed to an automated trading bot in March this year. So from March, I've been using a trading bot. This trading bot, which is automated up to now. But you guys, I'm enjoying the money. Yes. KK Success, if you have something to add on, you can continue from there. I thank you very much for organizing this meeting. I take now the mic to you, then to add on something if you have it. Thank you.
Oh my word. Oh my word. That's amazing, amazing presentation right there. You've done a great job for us tonight. I want to believe you can hear me loud and clear. Can you hear me?
You're loud and clear.
I want to appreciate you if you can hear me. I want to appreciate you for taking for this awesome presentation. You can see people are appreciating you on the chat box already. They're saying you've done a great job. I really appreciate this because I know it's not easy for you. Ugandan time is 11:28 as we speak, 2 hours
Yeah,
above Nigeria.
yeah,
So
true.
it's already late, right there you are, and you still were able to do a wonderful, amazing, well detailed presentation like this for us. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Uh, God bless you as you do. You can see people are really, really appreciating you. People are really, really, really appreciating you on the chat box. Can you see? Can you see? God bless you. Thank you so much. Ah, as you can see, I was battling with my network, and thank God we have a very strong backup, and we're really enjoying the moment, really enjoying the presentation. I want to believe you might want to have one or two questions. What we are making in this business is unbelievable. I will not take much of our time any longer. I'll just show us one or two, take us through my trading account, and you see evidence for yourself, because the wise man said, evidence is the end of argument. All right. Let me just go straight to my account and show you this particular account with $1,000 trading capital. I hope you can see my screen. I hope you can see my screen clearly before my network started.
Yeah, it is visible.
Oh, great, great, great. So can you see this is a 1,000 trading capital account, all right? And you can see this account started trading 19 days ago, 19 days ago. And out of the 19 days ago, 15 days were successful with profits. 15 days, that's why you are saying 15 over 19, all right? So I will take you to the deep out of it so you understand better. And the robot has traded 164 trades so far within that 19 days. And you can see the lifetime win right here, 577. This is real-time live trading account I'm showing you as evidence to back up everything he has told you. He has explained to us on the during the course of the presentation, right? Then before I leave this part, I want to show you that we have taste. CryptoFlow Bot has specific and quality type of coins the robot trades in the market. The robot don't just go to the market and trade anyhow coins. The CryptoFlow Bot is not configured and built in that manner. All right, the bot is configured if it is on spot. Can you see this? 25 coins. Only 25 coins is what the robot can trade on auto under spot market. You can see this is spot market. You can only see 20. The bot can only trade and pick on automatic maximum of 25 coins. The top 25 coins in the crypto market in the world. These are the best coins, all right? That is another security and peace of mind on its own. All right, so let me click on future as well and show you the numbers, the amount of number the robot can trade on future as well. As you can see, this is future now. Can you see? The robot can trade maximum of 41 coins on auto. And we have well over 5,000 different type of coins in crypto market. Well over 5,000 different coins that have been launched, listed in the crypto market, all right? But the robot is configured to only trade with just 41 out of those thousands and thousands of crypto coins. That's to tell you we are dealing with the best of the best of the best platform in the world when it comes to AI-powered crypto trading. We're highly intelligent. These are not just uh, this is not just a trading robot. This is a life-changing. This is a solution to every problem of each and every trader in the world. All right. A lot of traders are finding it difficult to maneuver and navigate the crypto market and maximize profit. This robot has taken care of any doubt, every part of capital uh, mismanagement, or level of risk management we have been experienced over the year trading manually using some other robot. This robot is crypto robot is configured to manage, and it is built in a very advanced manner, when it comes to the type of strategy that is inbuilt in this robot, it is not, you can't find it anywhere in the world. You talk of SMC, talk of DCA, the robot use SMC, we call it smart money concept, which is the best strategy in trading in the world. One of the best strategies of trading, smart money concept, all right? And apart from that, the robot also use DCA limit order to manage capital effectively and protect our capital away from any AFOC, any panic. And not only that, the robot has the feature of stop loss. It's what we call stop loss. On every single trade, there's a stop loss available on every single trade, which simply means everybody using CryptoFlow Bot is protected with their capital away from liquidation. You can never, I repeat, you can never, it is never possible for anybody to lose their capital trading with CryptoFlow Bot. Why? Because we are fully protected on every single trade the robot. Apart from that, apart from the fact that we are trading quality coins, which is 41. All right, we are also protected with stop loss intact on every single trade. That the worst case, when the market is about to do the worst scenario, nobody is going to liquidate on their account. No single person. It's not going to happen. You are protected in every part of the risk management involved in trading using this robot. Every part, every means. So the developers are so concerned, they are so advanced to make sure every inbuilt features of this bot is mainly focused on the capital protection of the users of the robot and has the capacity of generating minimum of 10 to 30% monthly. The robot is capable of generating 10 to 30% for you monthly on automation, fully automation. You are doing nothing. All right. So let me move away from this side and then dive into details, a little details about this my profit. All right. Earnings. I click on earnings and it's going to load and take me inside the details of that earnings on a daily basis and the winning rate, the numbers of total trades, how many close trades, how many trades does he win, So here we are right now. Let me quickly show us that. So as you can see here, you can see the graph. Everything is transparent here. Every damn thing is transparent. The bot, this particular account has traded 169 total coins and it has closed 164 trades. Out of the 164 trades, the robot has won in 144 trades out of the 164 and managed 19 trade risks managed. It managed 19 trades out of the 164 and has won 144 trade. So plus and minus, we have our winning rate here, which is 88% winning rate. Have you ever seen that before? 88% winning rate. Oh my word. This is quite unbelievable if you are the type, if you are familiar with trading, or if you have used a particular AI before, any robot before, you understand what 88% is we're talking about here. Now let's look at this. I will show us every part of this account when it got started. The days it closed in loss. This is when this account got started trading. You see, we don't hide nothing here. We're not telling you there's not going to be loss. Of course, there will be little loss, but how much is that loss compared to the capacity of the profitability of this great, amazing robot to justify and compare with the profit and the loss? Imagine. Then we now do plus and minus. All right. So the account started on the July 21st, and out of the 19 days I told you the other time, 15 days were won, if you remember, 15 out of 19. So the remaining 4 that ended in loss, the remaining 4 days that ended in loss, this yellow one you are seeing, and this negative. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of the 19 days, this account started trading. The remaining 15 days were in profit. And where are those profits? I'm going to show you one after the other. These are the profits. These are the profits. So can you see on this particular day, no matter the little loss that happened here, on the that happened here on the 31st, those are tough days. The crypto market is not ROI where you expect a particular profit that is fixed 2%, 1% in a day. Meanwhile, your money is not your custody. They will promise you heaven and earth. We are doing this, we are doing that. Meanwhile, they are doing nothing. They are only collecting your money and planning to run away at any point in time. But here, we are trading real-time market. We are making money on a real time while we are in charge of our capital. On the robot trades with our capital on automation. So now, but we do record little loss, of course. Now, what happened after this on the August 1st? See the following day, August 2nd. How much is this? And somebody shout power. And somebody shout power. Can you see that? $161. You can't predict the crypto market. All that matters is we are certain that we won't tell you if a particular percentage or amount you make a day, but we give you ROI that at least, at worst, you make 10% to 30% of your trading capital every single month. Can you imagine this? $161 in a day. The following day, how much is this? $48, $64, right? 94, 11, 67. Yesterday, 3.5. Today, this is yesterday. You can see the date, August 8th. Today, $50 has been logged in by this robot today. Now, plus and minus, we have total profit earning of 577. Is this making sense? Is this making sense to you? Is it making any sense? Do you think it's very essential to have this kind of robot? Oh, lest I forget to show you this part. I want to talk about this quality of coins. If you are familiar with crypto trading or cryptocurrency industry, see all these coins that generated this profit. These are the first top 10 coins in the crypto market worldwide. Number one that generates the most profit is BTC, $173. On how many trades? 18 trades to generate that figure. Everything is transparent. Cardano, 27 trades to generate 118 out of the whole profit. Ethereum, 23 trades to generate 118.6. Solana, 15 trades to generate $46. Then you, 1 trade to generate $31.9. These are the top peers. Can you see? Top peers. I said top peers, top performing peers. Top performing peers. These are the most reliable crypto coins in the crypto market world. Top 10 coins to tell you the robot is extremely massive and is doing unbelievable, unimaginable performance and giving unbelievable results every single day. Every single day. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Yes. Yes. Yeah. Do you have question? Any question? We are ready to round it up tonight. Our time has fast spent. I want to believe we have rightly invested our time here since over 1 hour ago. And in the absence of no question, you know, yes, you can definitely make advanced features of the robot. There's a part of the robot whereby the robot gives signals I normally do that. When the robot gives signals, I look at it, I will enter it as well. I use both the auto trading and the signal the robot is dropping and trade all together to make the interesting percentage you are seeing right there. All right. Now you can decide not to use any signal. If you decide not to use any signal, you just want to plug and play. You want to plug and play. You are starting to make profit of 10 to 30%. Because somebody will not be wondering that how can you make $500 with $1,000 in a week? I'm a professional trader. I have the experience and knowledge to explore the robot more without only depending on the automation. Is that clear? That's why I earned that kind of like 50% in 20 days or 19 days. All right. But if it is automation, full automation without tampering with your robots, you are a complete novice, you are a complete beginner. You don't want to know anything. You don't know anything about trading, anything about crypto, anything about the industry. All you just want to do is plug and play. You are going to be making between 10 to 30% per month on autopilot, automation, automatic trading. As simple as that. I hope that has answered any question regarding that. Somebody is raising up his hand. You can unmute yourself and ask your question. Last question before we go tonight. Last question before we go tonight. Can you unmute yourself?
Yeah, thank you, leader.
You're welcome.
The question is, assuming if I top up, if I make top up, I think the bot will automatically pick from there.
Definitely, yes. The bot has capacity to read your capital, any available capital you have at a point in time before it enter trade. The bot has inbuilt engine that will analyze and know the amount of capital you have at a particular point in time. Then it will enter trade according to that capital every time. So if you top up your account, the robot recognizes that the capital has increased and it will trade according to the new capital available. Right?
Okay, thank you, sir. That is for now.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. In the absence of no question, please get back to the person that invited you. Ask for the invitation link. Get started immediately. Automate your trading. If you are the type you want to help people with this business, there's a reward, there's a compensation for doing that as well. We don't have to go to that part. Apart from this trading I show you, if I go to my team building part, passive income, you will like, wow, there is a lot of money here. There's serious money here. That's when you discover that you just find a business that can make you to earn $1 million if you are serious, if you are ready. Are you getting my point now? Because this business has the capacity to make a lot of people to become a millionaire in dollar. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. I'm selling the big picture to you. All right. So if you are the type that you want to maximize every opportunity that the business offers, you are positioning yourself to make $1 million. And I'm not making mouth. I'm telling you the empirical facts, evidence, and figure of what is possible and what is going to happen within the next 6 months to 1 year. If you are ready to be part of a millionaire community, millionaire groups, you are mostly welcome to our community, because sooner or later, you are going to be part of the millionaires in dollar, not in naira. All right. A lot of us are making the millions in naira already. That one is not new to us. But our main goals is to make $1 million, not millionaire. Okay, all right. Be part of us. Let's move together and change our financial story forever. You will never regret joining us. The moment of decision is the moment of destiny. Take note of that. The moment of decision is always the moment of destiny. Take the most and the best decision now, and you will never regret making that decision. I want to appreciate every one of us who spent our time to attend this call tonight. God bless you, and have a wonderful, no, there's nothing to do. Just on a button. Please teach us how to work and make more profit without depending on bots. You have to consult the person that invited you. But you are starting to be getting 10 to 30% from the automation of the robot. Just a button. Just a button. You are good to go. Just a button. And what is that button? Let me show you. Let me show you. Because some people might be thinking, hope is not difficult to set up. Are you sure? How is this button you are seeing here? This particular button you are seeing here. Huh? Can you see what it's saying here? What it's saying? Full auto future running. Do you get it? Just a button. By the time if I off it now, you will see off. All right. Like you want to start now, you are a first timer, you are a beginner. This is how your own look like. And also after you set up your account, you activate the bot, you have gas fee, you connected your Binance, and you transfer the fund to future account of Binance. You'll be seeing your balance here showing. You can see my own balance here, right? That's how your balance will be showing. It's means you are ready to what? To start trading. Then what's the next thing you do? You just click on this button here. As simple as ABC. Just click on that button. You can see it said choose your risk profile. Conservative, balance, or what? Conservative, balance, or aggressive. All right. If I want to put it on conservative, I will draw it back. I will draw the line back. You can see it's on conservative. If I want to push it to aggressive, I draw the line towards the end. And it will be on aggressive. If I want aggressive, I will confirm it. But what we normally do is we advise people to put it on balance. And you just confirm and start. As simple as ABC, and the robot will be trading with your capital on future that you are seeing at the top here accordingly. To be trading with this capital here accordingly, appropriately, with peace of mind and generating 10 to 30% per month. All right. So that is how to go about it, the trading. So thank you. See you tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. Nigerian time. 8 p.m. Nigerian, 10 p.m. East African Standard Time. God bless you. 8 p.m. West African time, 10 p.m. East African Standard Time. See you tomorrow. We hold our session every single day, Monday to Sunday. Great Achievers Zoom section. Give Achievers team Zoom section every single day, Monday to Sunday, with different qualified quality speaker presenting to you. So we have every means for you to grow and succeed in this business. The ball is in your court. Use the medium, use your opportunity to invite as many people and grow and let people, the whole world, know about this great business. You can't keep it to yourself. Let's help as many people away from Ponzi schemes so that they stop losing money. This is a safe route. Say no to Ponzi scheme and let's help as many lives as possible. See you tomorrow. God bless you. Good night. Clicky Success signing out. Let's omit ourselves and say good night to ourselves. You can unmute yourself. Good night, good night, good night.
Good night, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Thank you for the presentation.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.